Hello there, traders! Hello mga ka-champion! Welcome to another episode na naman ng ating Learn From Scratch Forex Champion Series. So, for today's episode, again, I will just be explaining in detail at simplified yung ano ba yung tinatawag nating TLCE rule sa ating TFP Warrior System. So, kasi may nag-message sa akin na I think he's just still on the episode 4 or 5. So, again, gusto niyang malinawan regarding TLCE rule ng ating trading system. So, for today, pagbibigyan kita, again, shout out to you. Salamat sa iyong message. And I hope makatulong to sa iyo at malinawan ka pa. Ano nga ba tong TLCE rule na tinatawag natin? So, tara, let's get straight into the charts. Alright guys. Okay mga champion. Again, this is just another request of a detailed video kung paano natin i-apply yung TLCE rule sa ating trading. Okay? So, currently, we are here now at Euro Kiwi or Euro Kiwi or European versus what? New Zealand dollar. Okay? So, again, paano nga ba tong TLCE rule? Paano natin i-apply yan sa ating trading system? So, just to recall, okay? Just to recall, okay? Kung ano tong TLCE rule. So, back tayo sa presentation. Okay? So, ano nga ba tong TLCE rule sa ating TFP Warrior System? So, again, request to nung bago nating subscriber from YouTube, or I think he's also a new member na rin sa ating private group. Again, shout out to you. I forgot your name. But nevertheless, sana makatulong to sa'yo, malinawan. Ano nga ba tong TLCE rule sa TFP Warrior System? So, TLCE rule represents what? Yan yung ginagamit ko when I do top-down analysis or yung mismong thought process ng aking pagtitrade using TFP Warrior System. So again, sabi dyan, keep in mind the trading frontier recipe. So balikan lang natin, ano ba yung trading frontier recipe? Bakit napakahalaga niya? So again, ano yung recipe and what are the ingredients out of it? So meron tayong tinatawag na market analysis preparation. Napakahalaga ito. We always want to be prepared prior trading week. So instead of us, although we have some forecasting, prediction, but we tend to be more what? Reactive, or we should have a reaction plan if ever the market goes against us. So again, we cannot predict the market 100%. Lagi kong sinasabi yan. So next, of course, if we have a preparation, we should have a plan. If we, based on our preparation, magbabayad tayo sa sell, we should follow our plan, okay? Because if we fail to plan, we already plan to fail. Ika nga, di ba? So, on top of that, of course, meron tayong trading system strategy. Yun nga yung TFP Warrior System. But, for this episode, bibigyan natin din yung, TLCE rule na tinatawag. Okay? So, fourth ingredient ay yung risk management application. And last, yung pagkakaroon ng trading journal. And why is it beneficial sa ating mga traders? Okay? So, TLCE, it's just a simple acronym, but whenever we do trading analysis, napaka-helpful niya, okay? That's why I have created or come up with this simple acronym para sa inyo guys. So, TLCE lang, okay? So, TLCE, under Warrior System, T represents what? Trend and market structure. Meaning you analyze from a higher time frame like monthly, weekly, daily, or it depends on what kind of trader you are. If you're a scalper, go for 1 hour. Simple as that. L, represents what? Level or zones. Yan yung mamarkahan mo yung higher time frame levels mo. Like example sa daily or 4 hours or even 1 hour kapag ikaw ay scalper or intraday trader. Okay? So C represents yung ating confirmation. Ano nga ba normally ang ating confirmation signal? Of course, you should know how to read what candlestick patterns or even trend line breaks if you are doing some channel trading. Okay? So, malinaw ba doon? And for last, of course, trading is all about what? Entry and exit. We should know when to enter, when and where to enter, and when and where to exit. Diba? So, of course, gusto ko maganda ang aking risk-reward ratio kaya I always execute from a lower time frame. Diba? So, but the target profit or TP, of course, go back to higher time frame where you mark your what? Key level or zones. So, again, kung nalilito pa sa TLCE, paano i-apply yan sa trading? Diba? So, just tandaan nyo lang T, trend, level, confirmation, entry. Okay? So, lagi kong sinasabi, trading is all about probabilities and possibilities. So, probabilities, if umaayon yan sa inyong analysis, and possibilities, of course, anything can happen. Even you have the perfect analysis based on your analysis, okay? Still, there's a possibility na the market will go against you. So, you have to be what? Reactive, okay? Rather than predictive. So, okay? And, of course, as warrior or as even a champion, you always take high probability trades. That's why you should be selective on your trades. Okay? Yan yung TLC. Okay? So, going back sa charts, okay, ano ba yung nakikita natin dito? Okay, we are at Euro-Kiwi pair. Okay? So, if I will be going to apply what? If I'm going to apply TLCE out of this pair, trend and market structure. So, ano nga ba? Example, I'm on a 4-hour. Okay? Ano nga ba ang trend ng market? Okay? And based on market structure, paano natin mabasahin? Okay? We all know that the price what? Go up. Okay. Kaya lang ha. Simplihan natin. Wait. Burahin ko lang ito. Okay. So, the price what? Impulse. Correction. Impulse. Correction. And then what? Impulse. Okay? So, ano pa? Ano pa nangyari? So, this means that the price given in this period of time, you have a high, lower high, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay? Reading based on what? Structure. Okay? But after that, ano nangyari? Nagkaroon tayo ng new low. Okay? Breaking this structure. Okay? New low. Okay? So, baguhin ko lang kulay nito para mas maintindihan. Let's make it violet. Okay? We have a new low. Why? Paano nagkaroon ng new low? Bakit? Kasi we have what? A break of what? The previous higher low. Okay? We have a new low coming from that. And then, ano nangyari sa market? Karoon siya ng, lower high. And then, what? Lower low. Okay? And then, what? Again, another high, not breaking the same level of this. So, still considered on a bigger perspective, a lower high. And then what? Market push down again, breaking what? The lower low. Okay? Again, I'm reading based on market structure. Okay? Just to determine the overall trend of the market. So, again, himay-himay natin. So, you have a new low. Again, correction for a lower high. And then, another what? Another lower low. Okay? And then, another, impulse, correction, okay, impulse, okay, for in this, scenario, di ba, nagkaroon tayo ulit ng what? Higher low. Okay, higher low. So it means what? Ano? Are we forming a what? A bullish trend? Again, we still have what? Itong ating lower high, and then ano pa? On a bigger perspective, this is still considered a lower high of this. So as long as we haven't break this yet, it's still on a bearish trend. Okay? So simplihan natin. Another lower high, and then what? Lower low. Okay? So overall, if we're going to read the market based on the structure I have marked, ano nangyari? We have what? We have a clear what? Clear ano? Bearish market. Okay? So I'm identifying the trend based on what? Based on market structure. Okay? Again, ano nga ba yung market structure? From start, we have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then suddenly we have a break dito. Okay? Nag-break siya dito. Na-break niyo yung higher low natin, forming what? A new low. So, this is the breaking point or the turning point wherein the market shifts its momentum going down. Okay? So, again, I am on a 4-hour time frame. So, it may be different on the 1 hour or in 1 hour, but nevertheless, I'm just showing you how to read market structure in a simplest way possible. Okay? So, ganito lang na magbasa ng market structure to determine the overall trend. So, I don't need to what? I don't need to use any indicators just to show me kung anong trend ng market. So, nakakatulong din to train yourself how to read the structure of the market or every move of the market, di ba? So, since nagkaroon tayo ng low, and then nag-form pa tayo ng, ng lower high, meaning, your analysis will show you that there's a shift of momentum from a bullish to a bearish. Okay? That's the trend of the market. Okay? If we're going to take this area, okay, diba? Sandali lang ha. Going to take this area, itong area na to, okay? How can we find opportunity here, diba? Delete muna natin. Okay? So, we know na, nagkaroon tayo ng break here. Diba, meron tayong higher low. Okay? And then, nagkaroon tayo ng new low because we have broken this higher low. Okay? We have pushed through pababa. Okay? That's a shift of momentum na. Lalo na't nag-form pa tayo ng another lower high, giving or strengthening your analysis that the market will go down. Okay? That's your T. Okay? That's your trend and market structure reading. Okay? So, we know it's a bearish market at this point. Okay? Wait lang ha. At this point. Okay? This is your shift in momentum. Going from up, going down. Okay? Going down. Okay? So, again, ano ba yung next step? We're now finished with T. Okay? We're taking this whole chunk to look for opportunity going down. Okay? Since there is a shift in momentum. So, ano nga next ng T? Next ng T ay T, L, C, E, di ba? T, trend and market structure, and then L, level. Okay? Level. Okay? So, we will mark our key level zones or key significant level or zones. Okay? So, again, key significant level is here. Okay? Saan pa? Dito and dito. Okay? So, this will be my key significant level on a 4-hour time frame. Okay? Oops, sorry. Alright. So, again, this will be my support. Be my noble. Be my resistance. Okay, resistance daw. Okay. Eh, ano to? Okay. Reading again based on market structure, we all know na ano, high, higher low, high, high, higher low, high, high, and then what? Nagkaroon tayo ng break, di ba? Break. Okay, so this now becomes what? Dating ano? Dating support now becomes what? New resistance. Okay? Bakit? Because the price have broken what? Yung level na to, which is the higher low, and then forming what? Forming a new low. Okay? Again, I'm reading based on structure as for my T. Okay? This was your what? Your higher low. Okay? So, na higher low. Ito yung high high. Okay, di ba? Then, nagkaroon tayo ng new low. Okay? New low. And then, anong ginawa ng market? Pumunta siya ulit dito. So, dito pa lang, di ba? The time na nag-correct yung market, di ba? Ito, we can now look for what? Tapos na tayo sa T. Tapos na tayo sa L. May mark na tayo ng levels. Ano yung C? Confirmation. Okay? So, how do we find confirmation? Diba? This was once a support. Now becomes what? New resistance. Okay? New resistance. So, paano ko nalamang this was once a support becomes new resistance? Ano nga yung indication yan? So, balik tayo sa presentation. Again, guys, this is a recall para maintindihan to nung nag-request sa akin. So, para na rin ma-refresh yung mga viewers ko na at subscribers dito sa YouTube. Para, every now and then, maintindihan nyo yung kahalagahan ng TLCE. Okay? So, balik tayo sa, trend continuation concept. Diba? So, after a successful trend reversal, the trend continuation is observed by breaking the previous support that becomes its new resistance going down. So, sabi nga, pag na-break tong new one support, this will become what? New resistance for a trend continuation. So, same thing happened dito sa ating chart. Okay? So, kita naman natin that the price has broken yung ating higher low. So, we know that this level of one support now becomes what? New resistance. Okay? So, hihintayin natin ngayon mag-react dito yung price. Diba? Hihintayin natin mag-react yung price for a sell opportunity. Okay. So, nakakita tayo ng what? Nag-react dito yung price at this level. Okay? Am I going to take the trade now? If it is within my risk appetite, sure, why not? Diba? Again, I'm on a 4-hour time frame. Does it give me any confirmation? Confirmation daw. Ano nga ba yung confirmation na tinatawag? Diba? Reading what? Candlesticks. So, does this give me a confirmation na the price will go down based on the candlestick formations? Of course. Diba? Kita naman na there is what? There is a selling pressure provided even these two candles. Okay? Okay? Diba? There's a selling pressure. Tandaan nyo guys, dun sa hindi pa marunong magbasa ng candlestick, balik kayo sa previous 2 or 3 episodes ko para maintindihan nyo paano magbasa ng candlestick formation. So, this long wick from above means or implies that there is a selling pressure. So, I know that the market will go down. Okay? So, if ever, example, I place my trade here, again, I'm still on my higher time frame. But because I'm sure that there's a confirmation candle, I can place the next trade on the next candle just above structure, okay? Yung stop loss, and yung TP, saan? Yung sa aking key significant level sa aking higher time frame. So, I will have what? A 1:2 or almost 3 trade. Okay, 1:3 trade. But, is it an optimal entry for me? I don't think so. I want to improve my risk-reward ratio through what? Tightening the stop loss. Okay? So, alam naman natin, pag lumiliit yung risk ng stop loss, lumalaki ngayon yung ating risk, ang ating reward sa risk-reward ratio. Okay? So, better for us kasi mas magkakaroon tayo ng higher lot size position. Okay? So, how am I going to, again, we have a confirmation. Okay? Confirmation is the, yung mga candle formations na there's a selling pressure. Okay? Again, if example, if this is my entry, initially, okay, how am I going to improve my, risk reward ratio? Okay? So, simple. Go down to a much lower, time frame. Di ba? Meron tayong confirmation. That's our C. So, meron na tayong, yung trend down natin in market structure? Our trend is what? Going down. Okay? Ano yung L natin? Ito na. Meron na tayong key significant level or zones. Itong tatlong yan. Okay? So, confirmation, nag-react yung price. One support, bigas yung resistance, nag-react doon sa ating new resistance. So, meron tayong candlestick formation na selling pressure. So, definitely, I will look for short positions. What? As entry, go back or go down to a lower, time frame. If I go down to 1 hour, I will look for now a sell opportunity doon sa ating new resistance. Okay? Did I find any convincing pattern? Diba? Again, on a higher time frame, there is a long wick. Long wick. Okay? Long wick ng candle indicating that there's a selling pressure na going on. So, can I find an opportunity here? Meron, di ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na bearish engulfing pattern na nag-react sa ating new resistance. Itong level na to. Okay? So, if I'm going to take the trade again on a much lower time frame, after this formation, I can put my order here, structure just above, and TP, again, TP, saan? Higher time frame, structure, or level. Okay? So, anong diferensya niyan in a risk-reward ratio perspective? Now, becomes 1:5. Kanina, 1:3. So, di ba? The more I make my stop loss tighter, the more I improve my possible gains for profit. Okay? So, again, ang ginawa nating procedure, just following the TLCE rule on again, hindi ko pa in-apply yung TFP warrior system. Yung ano lang TLC rule lang on how I read the market structure down to entry. Okay? So, ano nga yung ginawa natin? So, I read the market structure based on this area. Okay? Example. So, meron tayong high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then na-break yung higher low natin, which is ito. Okay? Na-break nitong impulse going down. Strong impulse going down. Okay? And then, what? We all know in a trend continuation pattern, when the previous support got broken, this will become what? Its new resistance. So, meron tayong level as our L. And then, after that, of course, we will look for confirmation entry pag nag-react dito sa ating new resistance yung price. So, ano nga ba yung way para magkaroon tayo ng confirmation? Yun yung candlestick formations. Okay, yun yung C. Okay, market structure trend, down, level, meron tayo. C, nag-react dito yung price. Entry, anong ginawa natin? We go down to a much lower time frame for a more detailed entry and improving our risk-reward ratio. Kasi kapag doon ka nag-enter sa higher time frame, you only have 1:3 for this example. So, I want to improve my risk-reward ratio through tightening my stop loss. Okay? So, anong ginawa ko? Bumaba pa ako sa much lower time frame and look for an opportunity or candlestick patterns na magbibigay sa akin ng strong conviction that my analysis will go my way. In this case, pababa. Okay? So, pwede pa natin improve. Example, I go down to a much lower time frame, 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes daw. The more you go down to a much lower time frame for your entry, the more better yung risk-reward ratio. Kasi mas napipinpoint mo yung entry mo. Okay? So, is there any what? Here, di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng sample lang. Nagkaroon tayo ng meron daw ditong meron ditong ito. Nakita niyo yung candle na yan? Selling pressure. If for example, nag-react siya dito sa ating higher time frame resistance, so pwede ring sabihin natin na ganito. We read again the same procedure, market structure sa lower time frame. Diba? Again, meron tayong what? Meron tayong level here. Diba? May level tayo dito. And then, ano nangyari? Nag-break. Okay? So, anong tendency? This what? This new previous support becomes what? New resistance. Okay? So, nag-react ba doon yung price? Tingnan natin. Nag-react siya. Okay? After this what? After this reaction, nagkaroon tayo ng long wick, meaning there's a selling pressure. If ito hindsight na, nangyayari na. But if you're going to take the trade again, okay, for a much better entry, anong gagawin natin? Nakita ko tong long wick na to. Okay? At the same time, meron pa tayong structure dito. Okay? Or even here. Okay? Diba? Meaning there's a, what? The price reacted to this zone several times. So, this also is significant level on my entry time frame. So, nakita natin na nag-react yung price dito. Forming again what? Another bearish engulfing pattern. Indicating also that there is a pressure going down. So, I can take the trade here. Okay? Right? Asan lang natin ito. Okay? Nakita ko nito. Reacting to this zone ko. Okay? So, again, stop loss above structure. Okay? And then yung TP, saan? Oops, sorry. TP saan? Again, same sa ating higher time frame level or zone. Okay? So, coming from a 1:3 risk-reward ratio down to 1:5 now becomes what? 1:13. Imagine guys. It just shows na the more lower time frame you go, the more better your risk-reward ratio. But at the same time, you have to find a confirmation in support with your analysis. Hindi basta taking trades blindly. Okay? So, that's how you apply TLCE. Diba? I'm still not using any system or trading strategy na structured like TFP bar system that I will draw my channels, trend lines, and then some counter trend line breaks, support and resistance. I'm just trading using TLCE rule on a market structure perspective. Diba guys? So this shows na even TLCE lang, you can already trade and what? It will help you be better sa pagre-read ng market structure. Diba? I'm doing market structure on a higher time frame. I can do it as well on a lower time frame for my entry, diba? It's the same thing, guys. So, kahit maglagay kayo dyan ng mga indicators, but then again, ano nga bang foundation yon? Structure pa rin. It only also follows yung structure pa rin, and the more better you read structures, the more better at you of becoming a good trader, diba? Kasi you're only reading what? The price action itself, na hindi ka nagdepende saan? Sa mga indicators na lagging, okay? So again, reiterate ko lang that I have nothing against those people who use indicators. I'm just telling na we don't use it and you can already trade without it, okay? So again, hindi nahihinder ngayon yung decision making mo based on reading just market structure. Straightforward ang decision making. So pag nag-react doon, meron kang confirmation. Again, you have the trend and market structure on a higher time frame which represents your T. Ano pa? Represents your T. And then, next, level, you draw your key significant level or zones like support and resistance levels. And then C, wait for confirmation candles na in support of your analysis. For example, in this case, our trend is going down, so nagkaroon tayo ng selling pressure candle. So we all know that we can look for entry opportunities sa lower time frame as our E. So it's just TLCE, trend level confirmation entry rule. Okay? Still not using TFUR system, but then again, you can already have applied this as your foundation of becoming a good trader because you're reading price action only. Okay? So, again, sana nakatulong sa inyo and dun sa nag-request, okay, sana nalinawan ka, ano yung purpose ko ng TLCE, okay? Na dito lang, you can already have applied this in your trading, di ba? Yun lang, acronym lang. Napakasimple. Look for the trend or market structure on a higher time frame. Mark your levels there. Wait for confirmation. Go down for entry on a lower time frame to improve your risk-reward ratio. Okay? And much higher gains. Okay? So, napaka-basic lang nito. But then again, yung mga basic nga, yung karaniwang nineneglect ng mga newbies kasi nadadala sila sa hype, nadadala sila sa mga profit flexing ng mga demo traders. Okay? Again, guys, our goal is not to flex our profit. Our goal is what? Diba? To be silent, not necessarily silent, but to, what? To trade, be independent and consistent again. Diba? So, hindi natin kailangan magdepende sa iniisip ng iba or analysis ng iba kasi we can trust our own analysis and trade on our own. Diba? So, wala naman akong against again do sa mga signal services or those people na nagbibigay ng signals. So, kung nakakatulong kayo sa iba, God bless. And para dun sa mga nang-hype lang, so sana, if I were you, o kung ako sa inyo, mag-share kayo ng ideas, no? Hindi yung puro screenshot lang ng profits, guys. Kailangan nating makapag-contribute naman sa community para hindi maging, hindi maging parang yung groups, private groups ay nagiging parang pugad ng mga scammer kasi nagpapa-hype naman yung iba tapos pagka naloko, magngangaw-ngaw. Actually, responsibility niyo mag-scrutinize ng bagay-bagay, okay? That's why I'm already teaching para makita nyo na I know what I'm talking about. I know my craft. So, hindi lang ako basta nagsasalita out of nowhere. And I'm I'm showing some trade ideas na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo. So, yun lang naman ang purpose ko is to help also. And of course, napaka-hipokrito ko naman kung sabihin ko na na tawag dito, na hindi ako tumatanggap ng estudyante. Okay? Again, if I'm teaching someone, okay, I am committed to him or her. Okay? I want to make sure na yung tinuturo ko matututunan niya talaga at magagrasp niya, di ba? So, kaya meron akong mga VIP mentorship programs, one-on-one via Zoom. But then again, dito pa lang sa mga free videos ko, pwede na kayo mag-aral. So, I don't know, but some people na nagpapabayad pa, halos ang mga ideya lang naman, ito lang nandito sa mga free videos ko. So guys, you can just watch yung videos ko from start, episode 1. I bet marami kayong matututunan and marami kayong malalaman na hindi normally nyo na-encounter dun sa mga nababasa nyo lang or kung may nagturo man sa inyo. So, again, sana makatulong to sa inyo. And, yun lang. So, I just want to give a shout out again sa'yo. I forgot your name. So, you know who you are. May message na lang kita later on. And salamat dahil binigyan mo ako ng opportunity. Ma-explain ko pa ngayon ano nga ba yung TLCE para sa'yo. And para doon na rin sa mga ibang viewers. So, again, thank you sa mga sumusuporta at susuporta pa. So, tutuloy ko lang for the next episode and yun lang. So, see you guys and bye-bye.